Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your passcode on your iPhone. It's a simple process, but super important for keeping your phone and data secure. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps, from finding the right settings to choosing a strong new passcode. We'll cover the different passcode options available, like a 6-digit code, a 4-digit code, custom alphanumeric codes, and even how to disable your passcode altogether if you really want to, though we don't recommend that. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tips and tricks on all things tech. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. Grab your iPhone, unlock it, with your old passcode of course, and follow along. Screen recording starts. Okay, the first thing we need to do is open the Settings app. You'll recognize it by the gear icon. Tap on that. Now scroll down until you see Face ID and Passcode. Or if you don't have Face ID, it might just say Touch ID and Passcode, or simply Passcode. Tap on that. Pause slightly. You'll be prompted to enter your current passcode. Go ahead and do that now. This is a security measure to make sure it's really you changing the settings. Pause slightly. Alright, once you're in, scroll down again until you see Change Passcode. It's usually somewhere in the middle. Tap on Change Passcode. Pause slightly. You'll be asked to enter your old passcode one more time. Enter it carefully. Pause slightly. Now, you'll see the screen where you can set your new passcode. But before you just type anything in, pay attention to the option that says Passcode Options. Tap on that.
Astérisque astérisque, pause slightly, astérisque astérisque.
Here, you have a few choices. You can choose a custom alphanumeric code, which means you can use letters and numbers for maximum security. You can choose a custom numeric code, which lets you use a number code of any length. You can also choose a 4-digit numeric code, which is a shorter, less secure option. And lastly, you can still choose the 6-digit numeric code, which is the iPhone's default. For most people, the 6-digit numeric code is perfectly fine and easy to remember. But if you're extra concerned about security, go for the alphanumeric code. Just make sure you write it down somewhere safe if you're worried about forgetting it. For this example, let's just stick with the default 6-digit numeric code. So, I'm going to tap outside this menu to close it. Pause slightly. Now, enter your new passcode. Make sure it's something you can remember, but not something obvious like your birthday or 123456. Pause slightly. The iPhone will now ask you to verify your new passcode by entering it again. Do that carefully.
Astérisque astérisque, pause slightly, astérisque astérisque.
And that's it. Your passcode has been changed. The iPhone will now take a moment to update the settings.
Astérisque astérisque, screen recording ends, astérisque astérisque.
See? It's that simple. Now you have a brand new passcode keeping your iPhone safe. Remember to choose a strong passcode and keep it to yourself. Don't share it with anyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. And be sure to check out our other videos for even more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.